Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the best time to visit Iceland. Iceland is a beautiful country with stunning landscapes and unique natural wonders. But when is the best time to experience all that Iceland has to offer? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want to see the famous Northern Lights, the best time to visit is during the winter months, from September to March. The long nights and clear skies provide the perfect conditions for this breathtaking natural phenomenon. On the other hand, if you're more interested in exploring Iceland's diverse wildlife and lush green landscapes, the summer months are the ideal time to visit. From June to August, you can enjoy the midnight sun, where the sun never fully sets and the days are long and bright. This is also the best time for hiking, camping, and exploring the country's many national parks. But what about the shoulder seasons? Spring and autumn can also be great times to visit Iceland. In spring, you'll witness the country come alive with vibrant colors as the snow melts and the flowers bloom. Autumn, on the other hand, offers a unique opportunity to see the stunning fall foliage and experience fewer crowds. No matter when you decide to visit Iceland, make sure to pack accordingly. The weather can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to bring layers, waterproof clothing, and sturdy shoes. So, whether you're chasing the Northern Lights, exploring the wildlife, or simply enjoying the breathtaking landscapes, Iceland has something to offer all year round. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy travels.